Hey fam, this is Thanh. Today's video is a product review for an item that I found on Amazon recently. I am not being paid to endorse this product. It's just something that I was perusing through and I saw it and it caught my eye. This is for the MOOSUN Universal Bench and Center Console piece. In this box, it cost me about 80 bucks on Amazon, and it comes in gray and black colors. I purchased the gray color. Those who follow my channel, I have a platinum trim which comes with captain's chairs. So things that I've done recently to modify the middle walkway between the captain's chairs is to remove the cup holder that's on the ground, and that's created a clear pathway for the kids when I pick them up from school. Well, in the last couple of years, they're getting older now, and they're going to outgrow their car seats pretty soon. So I'm making a transition where they're not really using that center walkway as much anymore. And so I decided, you know, the last summer, I went on a family road trip. We went camping. We went down to California, and the kids bring a lot of snacks. And we did bring a cooler. However, their tablets and their little knickknacks and things like that were just kind of scattered everywhere at their feet. So I said, you know what, let's see what's out there. So I saw this. This here, I will tell you, I was looking at the measurements, and it's 10.25 inches wide, and it's 20.5 inches long. And so I took the measurements between my captain's chairs, and it looks like it's exactly that dimension. And so I'm thinking it's either going to be a super snug fit, or it may not fit at all. But hey, it's through Amazon, and if it doesn't fit, then I can just go ahead and return it, right? No harm, no foul. So let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing, show you what's inside. And I started it off already. So what you get in here first is this little styrofoam piece. Move that out of the way. And then when I pull this out, well, it looks like it's upside down. Comes wrapped up here, and it's like this, like a faux leather type of material. What's interesting about this, when I saw the product review, and on Amazon it had 4.5 stars out of 5, so I'm like, other people like it here. So the first thing I noticed is the cup holders in the front. It's elevated, so that's cool, right? And it has these cup holders where they, depending on how big the cup is, it can hold small or wide cups as well. So for example, if I push this button in, it can lock it in to a smaller size right here. There we go. You get to a smaller size right here, and go ahead and put pop cans in. But if you have a super big gulp at 7-Eleven, then you can extend it out to hold a bigger cup right over here. That's what it looks like. Either side and the side. This is pretty sturdy design. It looks a little bit darker than the gray color inside my platinum trim, but we'll see when I put it in. What's cool about this is its storage area. Not only can this serve as a temporary bench seat in the middle, but when you open it, there we go. When you open it, it has a little clipboard holder right here, so you can hold a pad and paper right here, stick it through here, and you lean it back that way, it'll just lean back this way. It's like it comes with a little tray inside if you wanted to hold coins, sticky notes, whatever you want to put in here, chapstick. It fits in here nice and snug. So put it here, but it's pretty wide on the inside, if you can see. That's where the kids can throw in their tablets and their snacks and beef jerky, whatever, when we go on our next camping trip here in a couple months. So far, it's cool. Let's go ahead and stick this in the car, and let's see if it truly fits. All right, so just give it a Another close-up review here. This is what it looks like. Man, not bad for an $80 Universal Center Console, right? It's pretty deep. There. Close this up. Lock it in. Lock it in here. But if you wanted to hold it, make it bigger, you pop it out. Well, so far I like it. All right. So you can tell here, I already removed the factory cup holders. That thing just got in the way. So let's go ahead and lay this down and see if it fits. It's nice felt on the bottom. So based on the pictures, just take this, cup holders face forward, and let's see. Hey, oh, that's nice and snug. Nice and snug. Okay. The color on the camera, it may look like it matches perfectly, but I'll be honest, this gray is a tad bit darker than this gray. This on the seat is a little bit lighter compared to the center console, but who's going to really notice? But if you take a look here, you probably can flip it around if you were to use it as a temporary bench. Obviously, I'm not going to endorse that if the car is moving, but let's see if we flip it around the other way. Flip it around this way, and the cup holder would now be on the back. So you can do it like that as well. These can be reserved for the back, and then you can have this little seat here just in case. But yeah, I don't know. What do you think? $80 worth it? Flip it open. It'll fit both ways. Anywho, I like it. I think I'm gonna keep it, and we'll see what my kids think when we go on our road trip in a couple months here. Anyways, thanks for watching this short video. If you like my videos, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. I got some cool videos coming out in the next couple weeks. Actually, I shouldn't say weeks, but in the next couple of videos I'll be releasing. One is documenting my oil change process for the hybrid, and the other video is installing some elite fog lights from Diode Dynamics, and I'm going to attempt to try to install those fog lights without removing the front bumper. Wish me luck. Stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Peace.